It's fucking full-time stupid. We're gonna do another how-to. We're gonna show you how to take replace your fucking oil pressure sensor, sending unit, whatever you call it. You gotta start by taking off this top fucking plastic bullshit, and then hopefully we'll get an angle to where we can actually.
What kind of car are we working on, kid?
It's a 2003 Chevy Silverado with a 5.0 V8 American motor. So all you gotta do is turn it on. You don't even have to crank the engine, and oil pressure gauge is going all the way up, which it ain't supposed to do. So it's probably not working, and that's why we're gonna fucking swap her, if we can even get to it. All right, so the parts you're gonna need, obviously the new oil pressure sending unit or whatever, and you need the socket that goes on to get the old one off and put the new one back on. And then you're definitely going to need an extension, maybe a fucking sockety, bendy, swivelly bend, because it's in a fucked up angle. And then, for some reason, a 1/2-inch drive, or whatever fucking size ratchet you want to use. And now we're gonna get after it.
To fix the motor, you gotta be the motor.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see down in here. But, are you recording anything right now?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you can't really see shit. You reach your hand back in here, and then by feel, you're gonna get this fucking sensor plug out of the old sensor. And it's right here. It's a 3-prong plug. And then the sensor, you can feel her. She's right there. And what I'm gonna do is drop the socket on, and then put the extension into that, and then put the fucking ratchet on. And try to pop her off. I can't tell if I'm cross-threading it or not. Alright, so old, new, they're the same, but one's fucked. Alright, and word to the wise, wait till the motor cools down before you go taking that shit off, because it's real fucking hot. Looky there. It fucking works. Yes! America. Kill myself. Kitty cat. Now you know how to change oil pressure sensor gauge. Kitty. Fucking like, share, and subscribe. Stop struggling.